Hello guys. Today I'm going to unbox the Google Stadia Premium Edition. I have been sent an email from Google not long ago about getting Stadia Premium Edition for free. I think they sent it to every Stadia subscribers, or I don't know, but anyway, I got it for free and I'm going to unbox it now. So let's see what's in the box. Yeah, this is the white box that we had. This is the way the box looks. On the front you have the controller and the Stadia logo, and when you turn on the side, you have one just photo of someone handling the logo. Yeah, that's it. So let me remove the plastic film. My knife is not sharp enough, but I will try to remove it. It's taking too long. Let me just remove it with my hand. Yep, it's better that way. Opening the box now. And here it is, the Stadia controller, the white one. I think there's a name for the white one. I don't know, I can't remember what name it is, but anyway, that's the only one that comes in the Premier Edition box. I guess so, because the one which was black, it came in the Founder Edition. So this is the way it looks. This is not my first one. I actually had a Premier Edition Stadia from last year with the YouTube Premium promo. They gave it away to every YouTube Premium subscribers, I guess. But it was very good. It was my main platform for an entire year, so I'm glad to have a second one. This is the Microsoft Xbox controller, precisely the camo edition. You can check the unboxing video in my videos uploaded. So yeah, I did not really like the way the Microsoft Xbox controller was. The fact that we have the joystick, analog stick on the other side, and the way it's really small, it's not that great for me when I'm playing. I don't really like the feel. However, with the Stadia controller, it's totally different. It's larger. You can feel like maybe the one for the Xbox is larger, but no, the Stadia controller is larger, and you have both analog stick at the bottom, and it's easier to just grip it and click on the left and right buttons. It is really comfortable and it fits perfectly in my hand. My hand is not that big, really. It's kind of average. So this is the charger inside. This is the second charger we get now, but it's totally fine. I can deal with it. It's normally the controller charger. It's to charge the controller. So let me see what's inside here. So we have the Stadia envelope. Uh, Actually, I don't know if I opened it last time when I had it. It's just it's just the starting guide for the Stadia controller. It's actually really nice, packaged in the envelope. Anyway, let me put it away. And here you have the Google Chromecast Ultra, which is just a Chromecast Ultra normal, and you can play Stadia on it. In the beginning, you couldn't play on Chromecast with Google TV, but now you can. However, the Stadia Premium Edition comes with the Google Chromecast Ultra, and this is the charger, and it has the Ethernet port as well. So yep, this is it. I have been playing Stadia for a very long time. I have some gaming videos that I can show you. It's a very underrated platform. You can basically play it anywhere you want. So thank you for watching my video and see you next time. Bye bye.